Welcome to the Explainer. Today, we're diving straight into the PKCERT CTF Square cyber range. We're going to explore why getting your hands dirty with actual, practical training is honestly the absolute best way to build security skills that work in the real world. So let me ask you something right off the bat. Are your cyber skills just theory, or are they battle-tested? Because look, reading about a vulnerability in a textbook is one thing, right? But actively defending against a live, breathing exploit, that is a whole different ballgame. And the only real way to bridge that gap? 100% hands-on capture the flag, or CTF training. You literally have to jump in and solve live security challenges if you want to stand a chance against modern threats. Section 1. Introducing PKCERT's mission. So who is this actually for? Well, it's built around 3 core groups. First, you've got students who need to learn by doing. Then, you have government agencies running highly controlled, safe training exercises. And finally, organizations using it to manage workforce training and quickly spot where their team's skill gaps are, all in one place. The whole interface is designed as this brilliantly unified platform. So whether it's a classroom of beginners, a live drill for government officials, or just a corporate team practicing their chops, it is all managed smoothly right from a central hub. Ultimately, the goal here is massive. CTF Square is dedicated to being Pakistan's premier cybersecurity training platform. It's all about providing world-class, hyper-realistic experiences to fundamentally strengthen the folks defending the nation's critical infrastructure. Section 2. The Cyber Range Amjad. Now, if you've done any kind of cyber training before, you already know the pain of setting up local environments. It is a massive friction point, right? You spend hours just trying to get your clunky local lab configured before you even learn anything. Well, CTF Square completely removes that barrier with seamless browser-based access. 0 local setup required. None. You can instantly spin up a real virtual machine for every single challenge, entirely within a safe, isolated sandbox. These virtual labs are actually powered by VMware Pro, which means you are getting a reliable, fully functional operating system delivered straight for your web browser. It's like magic. And we're not just talking about a basic, flimsy VM here. This is true enterprise-grade architecture. Every challenge spins up in its own isolated network environment, complete with automated deployment and cleanup. Toss in comprehensive logging and secure authentication, including government email validation, and you've got an environment that stays completely locked down. Section 3. Exploring the platform. Right now, this platform boasts a rapidly growing library of over 120 interactive cybersecurity challenges, and they span a massive variety of disciplines. You can jump in and practice diverse tasks, say running a continuous ping test, and then immediately take those fresh skills over to the competitive leaderboard. Whether you're competing solo or as a squad, you get to track your real-time scores against top-ranked professionals. It gets pretty intense. What's really cool is how perfectly the platform scales with you. You can kick things off with easy tasks in web security and then eventually work your way up to expert-level stuff like ghost binary challenges in reverse engineering. It automatically tracks your progress and even offers helpful checkpoints, so you're never just permanently stuck banging your head against a wall. Oh, and if you're a manager or an admin, you get this incredible, comprehensive view through live dashboards and assessment trails. You can visually track your team's progress trends, pull detailed reports to monitor their real-world readiness, and instantly pinpoint exactly where the skill gaps are. Section 4. Building real cyber skills. Everything you do here translates directly into day-to-day defense operations. We're talking core domains like digital forensics, web security, cryptography, reverse engineering, binary exploitation, and OS security. These are the exact practical skills absolutely crucial for things like reconnaissance, malware analysis, daily SOC operations, and active incident response. And the platform actually grows organically with its users. Researchers and working professionals can literally contribute their own executable challenge scripts. Once they pass review, they get published with full credit, continuously strengthening the entire community. Section 5. The ultimate training loop. The ultimate takeaway boils down to this continuous cycle. 1. Learn by doing. 2. Practice in safe, isolated environments. 3. Compete on live leaderboards. And 4. Defend critical infrastructure. Learn, practice, compete, defend. That is the loop. It's time to stop relying on just theory. Request access today to start building truly battle-tested skills. The only question left is, are you ready to defend?